Ooh, see that? Oh, it was a bubble. Oh. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I have a Glossybox unboxing. I'm so excited to be unboxing this for you guys. Glossybox is a beauty subscription service for $21 a month. I'll get into all the details in a second. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe. I do a ton of these unboxings as well as other beauty reviews, and I upload 5 videos a week. And let's get into this video. Like I said, Glossybox is a beauty subscription service. You get a bunch of brands, and what I love about Glossybox is that you get a bunch of brands that aren't as well known, so you get to try a bunch of different brands that aren't like the mainstream brands, and I love that about Glossybox. I've discovered a lot of holy grail products through Glossybox, products that I wouldn't have found unless I have gotten Glossybox, so I love it. For the month-to-month plan, Glossybox is $21 a month. You could use my code if you want to sign up, and you can get the first box for $16 instead of $21, so that's pretty awesome. But if you do the 12-month plan, it actually does come out to $18 a month. In each box, you get 5 beauty items, and most of the time they're full size or they're travel size, but they're not like sample size, so that's amazing. Each box has a worth of well over the amount you're paying. Most of the time it's like $100, so that's pretty awesome. But let's go ahead and open this box. This is what the actual box looks like. This is a very good box, by the way. I have actually used this for storage purposes, so the box itself is actually really good. Let's go ahead and open it together though. Let's see what's in here. Cool, they're advertising their advent calendar. That's something that could be a lot of fun. So there's 27 beauty products worth over $550. Subscribers get a $10 discount. I'm not sure how much it is though. It doesn't say. I love advent calendars, and especially beauty ones. That could be a lot of fun, so something to keep in mind if you're interested in Glossybox. Let's go ahead and open this. You also get a card full of all the items in there and their value, and like a tip on how to use them. The first thing I pulled out here is the Terra de Mars body cleanser. This is worth $23. This is a clean and refreshing, skin nourishing, toning and protecting cleanser. This is a low foaming aromatic cleansing gel which is suitable for all skin types. Is infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee, rosemary extract, verbena oil, and aloe. This is not for the face, so that's awesome. This is interesting. I'm actually looking for a new body wash. I do want to go ahead and smell it. Oh, it has a very refreshing scent. It's a very fresh. I definitely smell the rosemary and the aloe. That's interesting. It is quite a jelly consistency, if you guys can see that. Oh, it was a bubble. Oh my god, that was so scary. So cool. I can't wait to try this out. I will keep you guys updated for sure on how I like that. Next, I see we have the Stress Check Clean Hands No Rinse Moisturizing Purifying Hand Gel. I believe this is a hand sanitizer. Let's just make sure. It says keep your hands clean anywhere you go. This hydrating hand gel with 70% purifying alcohol, hard-working hyaluronic acid, and super blend of lavender, chamomile, and neroli will make your hands clean, safe, and moisturized whenever you can't get some soap and water. This is actually a travel size. It is $6. The full size is actually $15. Cool. So this is a hand sanitizer. Let's go ahead and sniff. Let's see what this smells like. I smell the lavender. Oh, I love lavender. Cool. So this is basically a hand sanitizer. Oh, it feels really, really moisturizing already on the hands. I'm going to keep this in the car because this is where I need, obviously, the most hand sanitizer. So that's cool. Up next, we have this astaxanthin collagen all-in-one gel. So this is a facial moisturizer. This runs for $49, which is quite expensive, actually. Let's see what it says. Moisturize and brighten skin in one step with this fast-absorbing gel cream. This is a superoxidant found in salmon, considered to be 6,000 times more powerful than vitamin C. Cool. This helps skin battle UV and pollution exposure that ages skin. And it says to use daily for visibly firmer, refreshed complexion. Cool. So this is from DHC Skincare is what it says. That's the brand, I guess. This has a 6-month shelf life. That's like not a lot. This is what the packaging looks like. And we're going to open it to see the kind of consistency. I'm going to use this because shoot, anti-aging anything, sign me up. This is a lot thicker than I thought. It smells nice too. It feels really nice. I will definitely use this and keep you guys updated on how that works for me. Next, we have this Daily Concept Hammam Mitt. I'm not really sure what this is, but this is what it looks like. And let me read the description. This one is $14. This says detox and refresh your skin for a youthful glow. Made for your body, this cloth cleanses and exfoliates at the same time. It detoxifies, rehydrates, and nourishes without stripping and drying out your skin so that you can look and feel your best. Let's open this up. Let's see what it feels like. Yeah, this is just like a normal mitt. mitt. Oh, I use this to scrub off my tan all the time, but I could always use a new one. Actually, I have to throw away the ones that I have because they're pretty old. The only thing I will say, this is not antimicrobial, so you do have to throw this away, but for $16 is actually not bad. I'm pretty sure the one that I have currently is just from like the Walgreens brand. This one feels like a lot better quality for sure. So it actually says wet your skin and then wet the mitt and then apply your favorite cleanser to the mitt and cleanse and exfoliate. I will definitely be using this because I need one anyway, so this is perfect. Wow. Next we have this David's Natural Toothpaste. This is the deluxe mini size for $4.95 and the full size is $9.95. This says freshen your breath with this premium sustainable toothpaste designed to naturally whiten, remove plaque, and freshen breath. David's is made with naturally sourced and naturally derived ingredients to elevate your health and oral care. Your teeth will be whiter in no time. Ooh, I love a good teeth whitening toothpaste. This is what the tube looks like. It actually feels really luxurious for some reason. Wow. I will definitely be trying this when I'm done with my current toothpaste. As an extra treat, they gave us this hot cocoa with reishi. I'm not sure what that is. This is a mushroom cacao mix with reishi. Mix one packet with warm water or hot water, it depends on what you want. This has organic cacao powder, organic coconut palm sugar, and then reishi extract and cinnamon and some other stuff. So this is just like a hot cocoa mix. Ooh, I'm excited because like fall's coming up. Really, really awesome. 2 packets are worth $4. It usually comes in a pack of 10 for $20. I'm gonna try this out and let you guys know. So I just did the math and total retail value of this box was actually $100. So you do get well over your money's worth every single month. To be honest, are any of these products things that I would buy myself? No, but that's the fun in a subscription box to me. It's like the surprise of not knowing what you're gonna get, and then you get it and you're like, wow, this is really cool stuff that I never would have bought myself. It's just a lot of fun to get these subscription boxes. Again, I'll have my discount code either on the screen or linked down below. If you want to sign up for Glossybox, you can get your first month for $16. Otherwise, it's normally $21 unless you do the yearly plan for $18 a month. I think that this is so worth it. It's really not that much money in the grand scheme of things, considering you get a lot of really awesome full-size products that you wouldn't normally buy yourself, and you get to try a bunch of different brands that you haven't really heard of. Let me know if you have Glossybox and what your favorite item was from this month. I don't know, I'm excited for everything I get to try. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So let's see, the first thing I pulled out here is the Terra de Mars Maison de what? Up next is this detox. This says